jug,
jug, jug, jug.
K for kite,
Cut, cut, cut.
L for lion,
L, L, L.
M for monkey,